Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Daystar hands-free cup holder phone mount. Now before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button so be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and of course plenty more. And whether you have a brand new Jeep or maybe one that's a few years old, well, just about everyone out there could use a convenient and safe place to store your phone while you're driving your Jeep, especially since most states have laws making it illegal to have your phone in your hand while you're driving down the road. Now, of course, you could throw it up on top of the dash or maybe throw it down in a cup holder, but none of those storage solutions are ideal. Now, that's where the Daystar hands-free cup holder phone mount comes into play. You can see just how easy it is to install the phone mount right there in your cup holder, and that's because it's constructed of heavy-duty, durable polyurethane and foam. You can see the base here is very flexible and squishy, and it's made right here in the USA. Now, because it's a tapered design, well, that means it's going to fit in a wide variety of different size and shape cup holders, from round to more square type cup holders like we have here in the newer Wrangler JL and Gladiator JTs. And you can see the installation is as simple as, well, setting it down in your cup holder and you're pretty much ready to go. That also means that you can move it around when you need to, or hey, if you need access to both those cup holders, well, it's just that easy to go ahead and remove it back out of the way and then put it back in when it's time to hold your phone. Now, the actual phone cradle itself, you can see, stands on an arm up above the cup holder insert, and it's secured to the base with a ball style mount that's going to give you a lot of flexibility in moving your phone around. So you can store your phone in a vertical orientation or horizontal, and it's going to give you a lot of options and flexibility at getting just the perfect angle so that you can take a quick glance at your phone while you're stopped, of course. Now, installing your phone into the cradle is just as easy as you saw me do there because of its large spring-loaded arm on the bottom side of the cradle there that adjusts to accommodate a wide variety of different phones. You simply install your phone on the bottom arms and push down, allowing it to clamp back into place utilizing those top two arms. Now, removing the phone again is a simple one-handed procedure. Just push down on the arm slightly and pull your phone right out of the cradle. The other really nice feature of utilizing this cradle is that it does leave your charging port on the bottom of your phone free so that you can easily connect a charging cable to it, especially if you have a convenient port right here in the center console like we do in the newer Wranglers and Gladiators. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a Daystar hands-free cup holder phone mount for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the phone holder or how to get it installed, you guys can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.